Sanibona bafethu, yabo le video lena ke ngiyenzela ama upcoming artist. If I upcoming artist ufuna ungene egaming, bengicela ungimamele. Yabona if I upcoming artist ne ufuna ungene egaming, first thing umele uyenze i1. Umele uyenze i1. Yazi business side of music. At least be registered nalama company enza account manje. ISAMRO, iRISA, iCOPASO, iSAMPRA. Yes, iSAMPRA. At least now for make sure go to membership yada. And make sure go to music wakhe ya register. Make sure ukuthi uyabhadala monthly membership yakho la. I mean yearly. Yeah, I think yearly, annual, yeah. Uyayibhadala. You understand? Be a full member. But I think you receive a Patalisa membership, if I'm mistaken, SAMPRA, Nicopas, I think those three. And then SAMPRA is for free. It's for free. Make sure Uguti we part of those companies, you understand? And then number 2, make sure umdu o distribute music wako or a company distribute music wako une portal yakho la umanu check ukuthi ama streams akho enza malini. Always 3, make sure mawungena studio nomuntu is either a celebrity, is either so a celebrity nenza ingoma, make sure ukuthi split sheet sikhona. Yabo, if nivumele split sheet, if nivumele ukuthini uyabhadala for i-service alomuntu loyo, ama masters ngawakho. Make sure ukuthi ama masters ngawakho uhamba nawo. Yayibona lento le, because abantu abaningi guys nenza umculo bese kusasa nekhale just because nifuna ifame, ufuna usheshe waziwe. Yayibona lento le. Yes, uzosheshe waziwe, but lengoma ozwaziwa ngayo le hit yakho i1 angeke wenze imali ngayo, because you took ispan sakho washinika lo muntu lo osegamini and then wafuna ukuthi akwenze famous, and then wakwenza famous but yena wanjani wabenefit on the business side of your music. And angeke kumblame because nguwe omnikile lento le, uwomniki imvume. Yebo, abanye beni jaha ukusayina awufundani ukuyifunda icontract ukuthi contract ithini. Jaha ukusayina wasayina, is fine, uphumelele makasana sebeyakwazi impintshi zakho, wena usayina ubani or usayina ngerecord label ethize abazokusala utenta namasimba, but at the end ubani ungenza imali nguwe. You have signed,